Hey guys, and welcome back. And today we shall be discussing about different types of machine learning with a special focus on unsupervised machine learning with the help of examples. So let's get started. So just to brush up of what is machine learning, it is simply making the machine understand various tasks, learn from it, improve from experience, and without having the trouble to program every time and give manual instructions for each and every task. So that is what is machine learning, that your machine is becomes smart and is able to predict good results, right? Okay, so there are various types of machine learning which we have seen in our previous video also. Link I'll be giving in the description box, and also at the end of the video you can find. So we've got supervised, unsupervised, and semi-supervised machine learning. So supervised machine learning is already been covered in detail with examples, and now we come to unsupervised machine learning. So this name, as it suggests, it is unsupervised. That means that in machine learning terminology, I will say that the output is not known. We are working with unlabeled data set. That means we are given an input, a set of various examples, various data, and now we have to figure out as to how does this data will make sense. And now we will apply various unsupervised machine learning algorithms which will solve the problem. All right. So again, we are using the term algorithm, which is very interesting and very good. It is an essence of machine learning. So this is example of the previous video I have taken, that you are supposed given a set of pictures of dogs and cats, and this is an unlabeled data, guys, because we are not telling the machine that which is a dog, which is a cat, and the machine has to understand it by itself and categorize them in different groups. So here we are forming different groups. There in supervised machine learning, we were making classes, classifying them, because we already knew that this is a cat, and we were talking it that this is a cat. Now suppose I don't know what this is, I have to make a different group of similar images. So this is the task of unsupervised machine learning, and mostly in real life we have got certain data which we don't know where it figures, so that comes in this problem of machine learning. So the machine has to identify for itself which group that data will fall in, and so we solve this by various algorithms like clustering or dimensionality reduction algorithms. So this is how we solve it. We use algorithms to solve this, and as I've already explained, that this is either solved by using clustering algorithms or dimensionality reduction like PCA, and k-means, k-median like clustering algorithms which we can use. And this video is already there. I'll provide a link so that you can understand what this really means, k-mean and k-median, and how does it really works. So next is coming to our next third type of machine learning is semi-supervised machine learning in the next video. So stay tuned and thanks for watching, guys.